Hi, this is Dr. Sandra Villarreal Montgomery with Viamont Educational Consulting. Today I'm with the lovely Julie Thigpen, licensed therapist and play therapist. Today we'll be discussing strategies to reduce test anxiety. This is our second video on this topic, so if you've not seen the first one with star breathing, that is a wonderful intro into this next part that we will be discussing, little butterflies.
All right. So I like to add these kind of together. So watching the star breathing, the way that you end that one is kind of shaking out arms.
Okay.
And with littler kids, I really play up the butterfly part. But for those of us that are a little older, this is still a great strategy, whether or not it's for testing or other things, because it's using bilateral stimulation.
Okay.
So I'm going to pretend that I'm teaching you as a little one on how this works.
Okay.
And those of us that might not feel that we're that little and want that type of adaptation, we'll kind of talk about what that looks like in a minute. Okay. All right. And so you're going to shake out, and then you're going to find your butterfly. And so just that little, the thumbs that hug.
Okay.
Okay. And so we're going to butterfly around and let him rest on our chest. And so he's going to give us hugs. Now, butterflies don't squeeze because they're kind of delicate.
Okay.
And so what they're doing is they're just tapping. And this is the bilateral stimulation that we're encouraging kids that affects the brain stem, at the top of the brain stem in their limbic area. And it allows them to calm their bodies by using the stimulation here. Okay? So technically you need it to be slow. If you do it too fast, then you're exciting your nervous system instead of slowing it down.
Okay.
And so we're going to do nice,
So be
slow
soft
tapping.
and gentle with the butterfly.
Right. And then we, as the person teaching, are going to help kids take their deep breaths while they're doing this. Okay. And this can be done for a minute, for 2 or 3 minutes. It can be used for reducing stress around test taking, which is what we're talking about today, but even just trying to relax for bedtime or trying to calm ourselves down and around. So we're going to pretend that our butterfly is no longer needed. Okay. And I'm going to teach you a few other ways to adapt for those of us that might not want to sit and do this in the middle of a meeting when we're trying to calm our bodies down. So instead of our butterflies, we're going to set our hands on our lap, and the same thing. You're just going to tap left, right, about at the
we're
speed
just doing this on our lap.
of a heartbeat. It's a nice slow relaxation. I would encourage doing this while you're already starting to calm your body down, because then this reinforces the calm, not as a way to get calm. Okay? For even another discreet way to do the bilateral stimulation is by tapping your toes with inside your shoes.
Oh.
This can be done when you're seated. It can be done when you're standing, and most people won't even notice.
Wonderful. So it's something
To
totally
adapt.
calm. You're doing a bilateral motion. You're stimulating different parts of your brain, and it's not visible. So those of us at any age group can go ahead and do that.
Again,
Wonderful.
I do want to stress: use this when you're calming yourself down, not when you're when you're feeling hyped up and anxious.
Okay, so this would not be the first step.
No.
Then you need to do a deep breathing, maybe the star activity, and then this is part 2 in that.
That's right.
Okay, wonderful. Well, thank you so much.
Yes.
I love these ideas. Thank you all for watching.
Thanks.